For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The gold seizure scandal which rocked Kerala, ruling government is taking new twists and turns in the state. The case has now knocked on the doors of the UAE consulate, as the main accused was a former employee in the department. Swapna Suresh is currently absconding and reports suggest that she is currently in Tamil Nadu. But the customs officials have not taken the matter seriously, as they believe it is an attempt to divert the investigation. Reports suggest that the prime accused in the scandal, Swapna Suresh, reached Tamil Nadu via Balaramapuram. Sources also added that a legal team in Tamil Nadu are looking to get anticipatory bail. They also revealed that the legal team has reached Kochi to seek anticipatory bail for Swapna Suresh, the gold girl. However, no anticipatory bail has been filed by the party till Tuesday evening. Meanwhile, the UAE consulate has started a probe into the matter, as the main accused was part of the department until she was ousted. The ambassador of UAE said that the diplomatic missions of the country had nothing to do with the gold smuggling case in Kerala. Dr. Ahmed Al-Banna claims that UAE has already started a probe into the case to identify the persons who used diplomatic baggage to send 30 kg gold. Initial inquiries conducted by the mission revealed that a former locally hired employee of the UAE consulate in Thiruvananthapuram was responsible for this act. The employee in question was fired for misconduct long preceding this incident. The embassy of UAE in Delhi firmly rejects such acts and unequivocally affirms that the mission and its diplomatic staff had no role in this matter. The UAE was willing to cooperate with Indian authorities to thoroughly investigate this case. The UAE consulate also claimed that the incident was an attempt to tarnish the reputation of the UAE mission in India. Meanwhile, a team of CBI sleuths reached Thiruvananthapuram airport to collect preliminary evidence from the customs officials. Allegations of the involvement of top officials of Kerala government have also surfaced. On Tuesday, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said that the airport and the customs department were under the purview of the centre. The state government only knows as much as what the public knows in this. The parcel was not for any state government agency. It was addressed to the UAE consulate. It has been handed over with a letter by the UAE consulate. How can the state government answer the shortcoming here? The woman in question was not hired directly by the state government, but through placement agencies. The reality is that IT departments have several projects where employees are hired on contract basis. With regard to her work in the Kerala government, there have been no complaints. It is true that smuggling has taken place, but how is the state government involved in that? The Kerala Chief Minister also claimed that IT Secretary Sivasankar was removed from his 2 posts after allegations linked him to Swapna Suresh, the prime accused. This doesn't mean that they are lawful or legal allegations, but when public allegations surface against a person, it is not right to have that person in the Chief Minister's office, and hence we took the step. Well, the investigation is set to open a can of worms in Kerala, and the links that would be revealed will certainly decide the fate of the state government.